This is the Swapnagandha Resort, and this is our room. Just so simple, so sweet, and so elegant. Just wash the roof. Wow, it's purely wooden. There is no AC, no TV. Yeah, this is the one most important thing. This is the Utna powder for bath, and this is the Rita powder for hair wash. How interesting it is. Wow, it's so clean. That's the main important thing. It's neat and clean. पितळेची बादली किती वर्षांनी बघतोय. This is purely homemade fresh soaps. आणि अंघोळीसाठी मस्त तांब्या. And this is me. Yes. Great. See the roof again. Now the best part of the room is, hi Paresh. This is my husband. He's showing you something. Wow, this is our luggage and voila. क्या बात है. This is the purely valley view room with waterfall view, and we show you the best part of this balcony. पैसा वसूल है बॉस. Look at the view. Oh my god. This is the waterfall view. We got the waterfall view room at Swapnagandha Resort, Chorla Ghat. See. It's pure wooden. How beautiful it is. Great. And just show you one more thing. This is the bed. And this is the waterfall view. Is it nice? You like it?
Yeah.
Great.